Hello students, welcome back to the same lesson of class 3 little by little. In first class we completed the meaning of the poem, meaning of the words and recitation of the poem little by little. I hope you all understand. Now, in today's class I am going to repeat the meaning so that you can give an overlook for the poem. So here I am. The Little by Little poem is about an acorn in which it expresses how the leaves of the oak tree appear and the slender branches spread spread across far and wide until the mighty oak tree becomes the pride of the forest. In the last line, we can see this thing in the last line. This little by little poem describes how an acorn improves and enhances itself over the years as it lies buried deep underneath the earth. A root of the plant grows downwards and the shoot of the plant grows upward, means above the ground. Simultaneously, a tiny shoot of the plant appears above the ground and thereafter the leaves appear on it. So, as we can see in this picture, the leaves appear. Soon after that, the slender branches of the tree spread across everywhere in due course of time, and the acorn grows into a mighty oak tree. See, acorn grows into a mighty oak tree, as we can see in the picture which is given in our book. Similarly, just as an acorn symbolizes strength and potential, so here this poem reciprocate to a birth of a child and how it improves, how the child changes day by day, year by year into a big human being and an old person. Every child wants to grow up one fine day as a wise and intelligent individual, just like the mighty oak tree. And this poem leave a corner for imagination to think for the importance of trees, as we already discussed about the importance of trees in our classroom. And as we know the importance of tree in our life. Trees remove carbon dioxide, reduce erosion, prevent flooding, add oxygen to our life, to save our life. Trees are the source to save our earth and cools our houses, provides fruit, food, medicine, cotton. And trees are important to save our environment, to make our environment green, to make our life greenery. So, plant a tree and save our earth. Now, let's come to the next. This is, as I'm showing here, this is an acorn, and the second is the seed, thread-like structure coming out, and this is sapling and a little plant, then little bit more and into a mighty tree of oak. Mighty tree. Now see the numbering oak tree life cycle. See the numbering of the phases. As you can see, acorn seed and sapling, roots are downwards, root grows downwards under the ground, and the plant, the tree grows up in the air. As mentioned in the poem, it means above the ground. Okay. Now, number 1 is acorn. We put acorn seed under the ground. And second is sprout. Thread-like structure come out from the seed. that acorn, and that thread like structure is nothing as that was root and sapling. Then plant comes out from this, and last the oak tree, a big mighty oak tree. So I think the journey of oak tree is clear to you, and this poem leave a corner for imagination to think for the importance of trees in our life. So your today's task is revise all these things which we do and which we did in our class today, and also write down few lines about the importance of trees. Till then, bye bye children.